Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do comments. So for those of you that know what comments are, fantastic. If not, comments are a way of putting a little description in your code, but that actual little description does not get executed. So it's a great way if you have some algorithm and you come back at a later date, or you share it to someone else, they or you at a later date know what it actually does. So imagine if I wanted to just describe what this line does. You can put a comment, you start it with a hash, and then you put the comment. So I'm going to say, this line prints out the text hello world. That's really it. And now if I was to save that, run it, ./text.sh, nothing changes. That is not displayed even though we've got that code there. Okay, you might be thinking this has a hash and this has a hash. Well, when it has a hash and an exclamation mark and it's on the first line, your terminal knows that this is something slightly different, and this is basically locating which shell to use. So don't confuse this with the hash and this with the hash. The terminal knows what to do. Okay, you might actually want to put a pretty long description, which is sort of what we've got here, and you want to spread it out over multiple lines. So you could do either this. So I'm going to say line 1, and then line 2, then line 3, etc. But it's not a very elegant system. So what you can do instead is, if I get rid of, if I get rid of the comments, what you can do, if you put a single quotation mark like so, and if we run that, command not found, have I made a mistake? Sorry, I have. Need to put colon at the start of it, and now if I run it, there we go, it works fine. So this is what you would call a multi-line comment. So you put colon, single quotation marks, then ending with a quotation mark. So anything between these two quotation marks is considered a comment. So this is a single line comment, and this is a multi-line comment. Nothing more to it than that. It doesn't get executed. It's just great for descriptions. Actually, one other thing I want to show you is, imagine if we have this command here and we want to see what the file would be like if we didn't have it in there. We could, do the obvious thing and delete it. Imagine if, we've got a lot of, 10, 20 different lines. We don't want to, delete them and then accidentally save and not be able to, get back for some reason. So what you can do is something called commenting it out. So if I put a a hash there now, and I run it, that line is no longer run because we have a hash here. And the reason of the new line at the start there, you might be wondering, is because of this backslash and the new line character here. And you can also enclose multiple lines that are together in a multi-line comment as well. So comments are great for descriptions and essentially disabling code temporarily to, check what it looks like without that piece of code. So that's it, nothing more to it than that. Any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.